Here are the two schools for tonight's show, Knox College and Campion College. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. From Knox College, we have team captain Tajon Jibison, Mikel Douglas, Nigel Walker, and Ayodeji Adedipe. From Campion College, we have Clinton Reed, Stefan Griffiths, Shante Garrick, and team captain Desmond Edwards. Hello everyone. Welcome to the sixth match in round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson-Daly, and your judges are Ave McIntosh for the sciences and Theresa Easy for the arts. Now it all comes down to this. High schools across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss, Campion won and decided that Knox should go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's get that time on the clock. And so Knox, we begin with art. The artist Wasily Kandinsky was born in which country?
Russia.
Correct. Campion, art. What was the nationality of the artist Henri Matisse?
French.
Correct. General knowledge for Knox. Look at the monitor, identify this monument.
We have artist is unequivocally the Dome of Turkish Palace.
No, that is the Hagia Sophia, Istanbul. General knowledge for Campion. Look at the monitor, identify this monument.
So Brandenburg Gate.
Correct. Bible knowledge for Knox. Arrange these books in the order in which they appear in the Bible. James, Hebrews, Colossians.
Colossians, Hebrews, James.
Correct. Campion, arrange these books in the order in which they appear in the Bible. Nahum, Daniel, Ecclesiastes.
Daniel, Nahum.
Correct. Music for Knox. Listen to this clip, identify the singer.
Sam Smith.
Correct. Campion, your music question. Listen to the clip, identify the singer.
Ed Sheeran.
Correct. Principles of business for Knox. Whose theory makes the assumption that most workers dislike work and must be forced to do their jobs?
All right, this is John Paul Salter.
Incorrect. Douglas McGregor. Principles of business for Campion, whose theory states that humans' motives are driven by 5 basic needs in a hierarchical order.
Plutarch.
Incorrect. Abraham Maslow. Theatre and cinema for Knox. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Matthew McConaughey.
Incorrect. That's Scott Eastwood. Theatre and cinema for Campion. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Lufang.
Incorrect. Olivia Munn. Biology for Knox. What is the name of the region of the embryonic vertebrate neural tube that gives rise to anterior forebrain structures?
Prosencephalon.
Incorrect. Diencephalon. Biology for Campion. What is the name of the large mass of grey matter in the dorsal part of the diencephalon of the brain, with several functions such as relaying of sensory signals?
Sensory cortex.
Incorrect. The thalamus. Knox, sports. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Luton Shelton.
Correct. Sports Campion. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Andre Blake. Andre Blake.
Correct. English language for Knox. Give a 6-letter adjective that starts with F, which means lacking physical strength, especially as a result of age or illness.
Feeble.
Feeble.
Correct. English language for Campion. Give a 7-letter adjective that starts with L, which means to show mercy or tolerance in administering punishment.
Lenient. Lenient.
Correct. Knox, general knowledge, who was named the 2018 Jamaica Rhodes Scholar?
Alright, this is. United Wisdom.
Incorrect. Jelani Monroe. General knowledge for Campion, who was named Jamaica's 2017 Rhodes Scholar?
Shakiba Foster.
Correct. And geography for Knox. Brazil borders every South American country except for which two?
Alright, these two are.
Colombia
And Ecuador.
and Ecuador.
Incorrect. Chile and Ecuador. Geography for Campion. Brazil is the country with the third longest land border, behind what other two countries?
The States and Canada.
Country. So this is looking to be Canada and Russia.
Canada and Russia.
Incorrect. China and Russia. And that's the bell.
Okay, it's okay.
That's the end of the opening challenge. And the scores are Knox on 5 points and Campion on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 2018 returns right after these messages.